We start with 1 hour, but just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And with the breakout of the previous stop, the targets we have been looking for, the first one was 22.7, following by 24.9. And as we can see, this is what we get. And after the price tag, the first target, it turns to correction. All right. And first things, again, if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned after the breakout of the previous top, when the price tag, the first target, the best things to see the breakout of this correction to confirm we are with an uptrend. If the price couldn't continue, then if we see any opportunity for sell from there, we take it. And if anyone get the sell from here right now, move their stop loss to break even. And for those traders, they get the trade for buy within this range. I think they should know how to manage it after the price tag, the first target, and we see this one. And even when they see this kind of the drop, at least they should take out the trade in the profit. And right now, we want to see what's the next and how deep this one can go. If the price is going to continue to drop from now, I'm not really interested to look for sell unless we see the price drop as a sharp move flying by flag. We see some kind of the confirmation for the price is going to drop. All right. But how deep this one can go, we can expect the price drop to 20.1 following by 19.5. For me, I prefer the price reverse without the breakout of this zone, because at that times I'm putting this one in relative to this as a long running flat for one move up. Okay. And beside that, how about if I put this one in relative to the previous one? We want to see what we have. If you refer to the indicators, we see we had a divergence in the short term, and MACD also we had a divergence, but we cannot confirm with that. Then for me, what I'm looking for, if the price is going to drop from here, for me, I'm not really interested to look for sell unless I see some changes. The way I'm looking at the chart, I'm putting this one in relative to this, how deep this one can go. We prefer to see the price reverse without the breakout of this zone. As I mentioned earlier, we're looking for this one as a running flat. Any reversal as a sharp move, any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And still we're looking for this target, and still we need to see the breakout of this zone. All right, that's mean if you get any reversal within the breakout of the previous top, if the price could break this one, is good for us. If not, we see the price continue as a corrective move, then we can look at this one as a 1, 2, 3. Then from there, any reversal, any sell, from there we will take it. And if anyone got the sell from here right now, move their stop loss to break even. They should know how to manage it if it doesn't move in our direction. That's mean from now, if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And if we move to daily chart, based on daily chart, we have, if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned the price almost tagged the lowest price of this. It couldn't tag near to what we expected. And what we have been looking for, we have been looking for the reversal as a long term. This is what we have been looking for as a long term. And the targets we have been looking for based on daily chart, these are 43 following by 52 cents. And if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. And right now, we can put this one in relative to this for the next drop. That's why from now, we are expecting to this one turn to deeper correction before we see the reversal. But again, as a long term, I'm looking for buy. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it. We are not really interested to look for sell. And if we move to forward chart, similar to what we explained based on 1 hour chart, we are looking at the chart in this way. We get one move up, this we look for buy. If we see the continuation, we keep the trade. If not, after we get one move up, at least with the breakout of the previous top, then from there, I will look for sell. Selling from here at this point, I'm not really interested unless I see some changes, then I will give update. And at this point, if you want to look for the buy, mostly we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. Having entry at this point, both here can be an option, but we should know that the price should reverse sharply, tag, break, and continue. If the price tag, this is not moving, then we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. But if the price dropped to 20.1, then having entry above this is not valid. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.